Well, hey YouTube, welcome back once again to the HDR Garage. And today, I'm sure the title already gave it away because it normally does, right? Or the thumbnail, like how we build thumbnails anymore. But what I wanted to ask was, is the American V-twin engine going away? Is the American V-twin engine going to be something of the past? And I look at that is Honda builds that 6-cylinder engine that these guys are riding, and that's like it's almost like a straight 6, right? It's not really a V engine like the Harley Davidson or the Indian motorcycles. So I recently had a chance at a Harley demo day to actually take out the live wire, the Harley live wire. Now, if you read recent news reports from Harley said, look, we're not killing the live wire, but we're starting a new electric motorcycle division. I don't know what that's going to look like. There's rumors they're going to come out with a touring bike, you know, kind of like this, with a battery pack in it. I guess they can put a lot of batteries in a touring pack, right? Or a touring bike. I don't know what the overall weight's going to be with that. I don't know how that's going to pan out with, you know, the weight of the bike and how long the batteries will last. So, I mean, I guess that's yet to be seen. And they're great engineers. They know way more than I know about that stuff. The problem is with the live wire, and I've said this on my live shows many times. If you haven't watched that, check out Coffee with HDR every Saturday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But I've said on my shows many times, the live wire came out at $30,000. Okay, $30,000 is a big pot of money for any American. You know, even some of the wealthiest people think 30 grand's a lot of money. You know, they took them a while to earn that. The American workers the same way. You know, $30,000 is $30,000. So, but I took that bike out and I thought, man, I was impressed. I was absolutely impressed. Now, really, you're not going to you could put little saddlebags on there or do something with that. It's not really a touring bike per se, you know, because the charge time, it's going to take you longer to charge it than what it would for me to stop and get a tank of fuel at a gas station. But then I look back at that statement sometimes, $30,000 and there's never an oil change. There's never going to be any gas charges in it. The engine's probably never going to need tuned because it's electric. So I look at all that and I think maybe, you know, but Zero motorcycles, check them out, Z-E-R-O. Myself and Miss H had a chance to ride those at a motorcycle show, which obviously they don't have those anymore. And they were great. She even rode one and she liked it. It's like a big electric bicycle. I mean, it's cool though. It rides great. And check out Zero motorcycles. They sell theirs, like their mid-brand, for about half of the $30,000. So you can get into that bike for anywhere from $9,000 to $20,000. Okay. But anyway, you know, I just wanted to bring you in this way and introduce this video. So the video today is me riding the Harley Davidson live wire at a recent Harley event. And we had a great day. I'll tell you about the shop within the video, so you'll hear me talk about the Harley dealer that we were at in Morgantown, West Virginia. And I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you enjoy this new way of kind of introducing it to you. So let's go ahead right now, without farther ado, and roll that footage. Hey YouTube, HarleyDayRider back at you once again, your good old friend HDR. And I am here at Triple S Harley Davidson still. You've seen some of the other videos, and I am taking out the live wire.
Oh my goodness.
Henry was just on the live wire and he said it's an amazing bike. So we're going to take it out for a spin and see what it's like. I know the seating position does not look too comfortable.
Good luck, buddy.
And if we don't get lost this time, probably be even better.
Let's see if I can handle this, huh?
Is there a power switch or something on this bike?
No.
How do you turn it on, dude? Just a kill switch.
Wow. That is a big...
Man, those pegs are different, dude. Turn signals are the same.
Yeah, you know what?
Push to start. Push what?
It's different. The tires is different.
Oh, well, that's pretty cool. All right, he's looking at you guys. The seating position is really different than what I'm used to.
Yeah, this is good.
It's like I'm leaning over the bike. Holy crap.
Well, this is not bad. I mean, I'm flat-footed. Well, this is my old bike.
That's your bike, man, the old fat boy. Yeah, so the electric wire. Fully electric motorcycle. No noise. I'd have to put a new set of bars on this thing, jack her up a little bit.
Wow, that's so different. Yes. That fat tire is like you have to really pull it.
I think I'm gonna need the shield down for this one. Woohoo! It feels like you're falling over the handlebars, dude.
Yeah, the gears are a little bit rough.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
They're a little bit rough. Hard, you know, you really have to push it. That is a big difference with the fat tire on the front. Wow. Huh.
I feel like on this thing I'm riding that motorcycle that was in the Batman movies.
How's your bike? Is it nice? I know you love it.
There's no comfort on this bike, that's for sure.
No.
I think the concept is there. I think they just designed it a little bit differently.
I mean, it's a really smooth ride. But
No, it's super smooth ride. I mean, there's no vibration.
nothing what. So, I wish.
But there's no noise either.
No. So you get a little bit confused. You're looking for that clutch too.
Yeah, I don't have to hold the clutch. My hands are free. I don't have to put it in neutral.
Nope.
Just sitting here relaxing on the bike. All right, I guess we're going, huh?
Yeah, let's do it. Now I have to get used to a shift.
It is super fast, though. You turn this throttle, you're gone, man.
Yes, sir. That's for sure. Wow.
Yeah, they got to put like they got to put like 14-inch ape hangers on this bike.
There we go. At least this is higher than the one I had.
What's that? The bike or the bar?
The bars.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. They're closer to you. I think I like the back tire. But the front tire, you really have to know what you're doing because it's hard.
Holy crap, that was a bump. Wow.
Yeah, what's your coin purse? If you used to hang her, if you know the Simpson, you know what coin's purse.
Coins purse.
Coin purse. Wow, that is different.
I can still flat foot it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep, it would definitely need higher handlebars.
I know.
I can't buy a $30,000 electric motorcycle.
No. I mean, I think there's a lot of people who buy it because it's for them, but
Yeah, exactly. I think so. And I think, like I said, it's a nice commuter bike for around town.
yes.
Like, I would like something like this to go to work on, because I can plug it in at work, I can plug it in at home.
I know, but they should make it like a cruiser too. You know, like you're sitting this way instead of
Right. I think that's what they should have did, maybe.
yeah.
Got the handlebars up, the seat lowered. Because it definitely feels like you're sitting on the motorcycle, not in it.
Right.
You know, I can see you're sitting in that bike.
Oh yeah, it's a lot comfortable too. This one, but
Yeah, it looks good.
I know it's my old bike, but better tires.
Wonder what this red light's on for. Play out of battery power. I can't believe you rode the wrong bike the last time.
Oh, Yeah, that was.
Yeah, but you were in front of me. Oh, you signed up for 2 bikes at one time. That's what happened.
Did I?
Yeah,
Oh.
well, yeah, and I don't know how you did that. He's the one with the clipboard.
I know. I thought I wanted I wanted to try that CVO.
Hell yeah.
Did you try that yet?
No, not yet. I said
Yeah.
try that stage 2 bike too, man. It's awesome.
Oh, yeah. That was the one that I supposed to ride.
Oh, maybe that's what happened.
But I thought it was when we came back.
I don't know.
That's okay.
This thing feels like it's running. Like I can feel a thumping in it.
Different, huh?
This is way different.
Yeah, wait until you get all the wind.
I know, I can feel it now.
Oh, yeah.
Feels like it's gonna blow you off the back of the bike.
Yeah, just wait until you start to get to, you know.
I can't wait to get on the highway.
Oh, my.
Matter of fact, folks, we'll bring you back when we get on the highway. Since we missed the highway on the last ride because my bad directions got us a little misled. Well, guys, one thing on the live wire you have to get used to is there's no downshifting. I can see where Mike Killy 7 and Moose really love their, and now PA Bearded Biker love their DCT Hondas. Because look, I don't have a clutch. I don't have to worry about it. I can just ride with my hand off. Yeah, and just turn the throttle and go. So, I think that's pretty awesome, actually.
I know.
You can kind of sit up, relax. You don't have to worry about red lights. You don't have to worry about clutching or downshifting. There's something to be said about that, you know. But we wanted to bring you guys back because we're going to be taking a live wire on the highway. So I kind of want to give you a little bit of feel of what that's like. Yow. Big bike. Yow. So again, we're on 79 South, heading back towards the dealer. Again, as always, we'd like to thank Triple S Harley Davidson in Morgantown, West Virginia, for bringing the demo truck out today and allowing us to get out here and ride. If you live out this way, by all means, check out Triple S Harley Davidson. They'll take great care of you down here. And hey, if you live anywhere, you live in Idaho and you want to buy a bike, come on to Triple S. Yeah, the wind is kind of crushing me back here now. Bike's at 64 miles an hour, that's 65. 75 right there, 73 miles an hour. It definitely has good throttle response.
It's different.
It's way different. Yeah, the seating position's different. I told Henry my butt's already hurting, and we've been out, what, 8 miles maybe?
Yeah.
There's 80 miles an hour, 85 miles an hour. No time at all. Just crank that throttle and you will go. I'm sure it'll hit whatever you can hit it, 120, 150 mile an hour, but wow. And I guess it uses more battery power the faster you go. I don't know that to be sure or to be certain, but
yeah, that is amazing.
I tell you what, man, it hits 80 mile an hour just in a second.
The wind is so strong here.
This wind is kicking over the top of these mountains down here in West Virginia. Well, guys, thanks for staying to the end. Hopefully you stayed until the end and you watched that whole video of the Harley Davidson live wire. Very interesting bike to ride. Like I said, as you can hear on the video, I had a lot of fun, man. You turn that throttle 0 to 60 in seconds, like with no hesitation. You know, like combustible engines have to build that pressure up and they have to get that, you know, motor running and get those pistons pumping. Not a live wire. You turn that throttle, man, you are gone. Like, you could seriously get in trouble with that bike on the highway. But I am a old Harley guy. You guys have been watching my YouTube videos for a long time, and you know that I am a V-twin type of a guy. I do like the V-twins. I was recently looking at a Honda Goldwing. I love the motorcycle. The problem was the dealer told me they wouldn't let me test drive it, and I said, I can't buy something I can't demo or test drive. I just think that's not right. You know, I don't know what you think of that, but I go to Harley, and I can go to any dealer, and they're going to be like, what do you want to take out? I sign a paper, and they let me put a helmet on and take it for a ride and see what I think about it before I decide to lay it down or shell out the bucks, right? So Indians has demo days, and they're pretty much the same way. I don't know how they are if you just stop in the dealer. Maybe somebody can tell me. You know, do they just let you take the bike out and demo it, you know, on your own? You kind of get the feel for it before you buy one. Now, I did take a Challenger out that way. I did. Matter of fact, I did stop at the Indian dealer. He said, what bike do you want to take out? I said, the Challenger. He said, we'll get it ready for you. And they took it outside, and he said, have a good time. We'll see you back here in a little while. And they let us go. So it was really cool to do that. I don't know why Honda doesn't do that, but they sell. People buy Hondas. So it's not a bad bike. It's a beautiful looking bike. I think that DCT is pretty cool with no clutch. You know, again, I'm an old Harley guy. I like the clutch. I like to feather my clutch or use the friction zone. So, but again, I won't make this video any longer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And please hit that subscribe button. You know, it would be great by December to make it to 5,000 subs. That's kind of my goal. You know, we all have to have a goal in life, and that's my goal. So maybe I can bring you some more interesting videos and something cut a little different than just doing motovlogs. So maybe this will help a little bit, right? A little different. So, all right, remember, guys, ride your ride. Be safe out there. This is HarleyDayRider in the HDR garage. I'll see you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye for now.